Does this look painfully familiar? If your vacuum sounds like it's trying, but has completely lost its power, you're not alone. This suction problem is a common complaint among Dyson V11 owners, and it's more than just a simple clog. More often than not, the culprit is a faulty motor. Think of it as the powerhouse of your vacuum getting tired and weak, unable to generate that signature Dyson power. Ignoring it is a bad idea. Continuing to run the vacuum can strain the battery and cause the motor to burn out completely, turning a fixable issue into a much more expensive problem. Your high-tech cleaning tool shouldn't be losing a battle with breakfast crumbs. Before your vacuum makes a dramatic exit, let the experts at RoboCare intervene. At RoboCare, we are specialists in Dyson repair. Our technicians live and breathe these machines, understanding the intricate engineering of the V11 motor inside and out. We don't just guess, we use specific diagnostic equipment to test the digital motor's power draw and pinpoint the exact point of failure. Once we confirm a faulty motor, our solution is precise and reliable. We carefully disassemble the unit, perform a complete motor replacement with genuine parts, and ensure every connection is secure. We bring your Dyson back to its original, powerful glory. Now, let's take a look at the results. After the RoboCare fix, we restore that deep cleaning power, replacing the faulty motor and bringing this vacuum back to peak performance. Motor problems? Battery issues? Don't wait. Contact us today. Visit our service center or use our nationwide courier service to get your vacuum fixed, right?